Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a vital feature that enhances your home's security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall functionality. In Dallas, where the climate ranges from hot summers to cool winters, upgrading to a new front door offers numerous benefits that go beyond aesthetics. Here's why replacing your front door in Dallas is a smart investment. Boosts curb appeal. The front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn-out or outdated door can detract from your home's appearance, while a stylish new door creates a welcoming first impression. With countless design options available, you can choose a door that complements your home's architectural style. For Dallas homeowners, popular choices include bold colors to make a statement, decorative glass inserts for added elegance, modern materials like fiberglass or steel for a sleek look. Replacing your front door instantly enhances your home's exterior, boosting its curb appeal and making it stand out in the neighborhood. Enhances home security. Safety is a top priority for any homeowner, and your front door plays a crucial role in protecting your family and belongings. Older doors with weak frames or outdated locks can be vulnerable to break-ins. A new front door improves security with features like reinforced frames that resist forced entry, advanced locking mechanisms such as multi-point locks or smart locks, durable materials like steel or fiberglass that provide added strength. By upgrading your front door, you can enjoy greater peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. Improves energy efficiency. Dallas's climate can be challenging, with hot summers that drive up cooling costs and cooler winters that require efficient heating. An outdated front door may allow air leaks, drafts, and heat transfer, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient front doors are designed to address these issues. Key features include insulated cores to minimize heat transfer, tight weather stripping to prevent drafts, low-E glass options for doors with windows, which reduce heat gain while blocking UV rays. Replacing your front door with an energy-efficient model can significantly lower your energy bills and make your home more comfortable year-round. Increases home value. Investing in a new front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's value. According to industry experts, replacing a front door can yield a high return on investment, ROI, making it a smart choice for homeowners planning to sell. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient, and secure features. A new front door signals that the property is well maintained, increasing its market appeal and helping you attract better offers. Reduces maintenance needs. Older wooden doors often require regular maintenance to prevent warping, rotting, or peeling, especially in Dallas's humid conditions. Modern front doors made from fiberglass, steel, or aluminum are designed to withstand the elements with minimal upkeep. These materials resist moisture, fading, and cracking, ensuring that your door stays functional and attractive for years to come. This durability saves you time and money on repairs and maintenance. Improves functionality. A new front door isn't just about looks, it also improves the functionality of your entryway. With advanced technology and modern features, today's doors offer smart locks for keyless entry and remote access, energy-efficient glass panels that let in natural light without compromising insulation, smooth operation with properly fitted frames and hinges. Whether you're carrying groceries or welcoming guests, a functional front door makes daily life more convenient. Personalizes your home. Your front door is a reflection of your personal style and sets the tone for your home. Replacing it gives you the opportunity to customize your entryway to match your taste and preferences. From bold colors and intricate designs to minimalist and modern aesthetics, a new front door allows you to showcase your unique style while enhancing your home's overall character. Adapts to Dallas's climate. Dallas's weather can be tough on doors, with intense heat, occasional storms, and temperature fluctuations. Modern front doors are specifically designed to handle these challenges. Features like reinforced materials, protective finishes, and advanced insulation make them ideal for withstanding Dallas's climate while maintaining their appearance and performance. Conclusion. Replacing your front door in Dallas is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a practical investment that improves your home's security, energy efficiency, and value. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, lower energy bills, or create a more secure entryway, a new front door delivers a host of benefits tailored to your needs. Consult with a trusted door replacement specialist in Dallas to explore your options and find the perfect door for your home. With a new front door, you'll enjoy a more stylish, secure, and efficient home for years to come.